Hello my friends, welcome. In the introduction you had the opportunity of seeing the wonderful plants of my wife. Welcome to this last and third video about how to heighten a sofa with the help of wheels. In case you are joining only now, I can invite you to have a look at the first video. This will put you better in the context. So for fixing the wheels on the bottom of the sofa, let's go. For the use of screws, so we used these screws for the wood. You see these screws have this shape. And for fixing the wheels, we'll be using these ones with a flat bottom. If you want to know more about this, don't hesitate to watch the video about how to use screws. And here I will be lacking of some of these, so I'm putting one conic one on one hole out of 4. Now comes the nice part of the maneuver. We're putting the wheels. As already said, and very important, you need to make pre-holes and don't make them too close to the side, otherwise it breaks. Now for the sides where the height is not enough, I will place these little pieces. So I'm adding it up here. As the top of the wheel is made out of iron, this very little piece will be sufficient. As I told you in numerous videos, make sure that your drilling machine is not making this noise because it's very bad for both the screws and the top of the screwdriver. Now I don't have the right screws anymore, so I'm taking the others, only one hole out of 4. Here we are, my friends, the wheels are now fixed, and just as a little recap, I put here 4 wheels on the extremities which are with a stopper and 2 in the middle here which are without. Now comes the important moment of testing. For activating the stopper, very easy, you just push here with your feet. That's it, my friends. Now I'm sitting on this heightened sofa. 10 centimeters, this was exactly what was missing for being able to sit comfortably on it. And I hope that it will make my wife happy because she likes to move the objects in the living room. So now with the wheel, it should be by far easier. One example would be to turn back this sofa for being in front of the chimney. And of course, I can only invite you to have a look at my video on how to lighten a chimney fire. So see you very soon. on Happy Hour TV 1.